Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now, inventory your top skills and pick 2 niches to specialize in. Create concise service offers with prices and delivery times, make revisions based on quick tests. Once done, publish profiles on 2 platforms and add a professional photo and 3 sample tasks. Make sure to collect 1 or 2 testimonials from friends or small clients to seed credibility. This speeds hiring because clients trust proven results. You focus on volume and quality. Write 5 targeted proposals weekly, tailoring the opening and showing measurable impact. Set up onboarding templates and a clear checklist so clients know what to expect. This reduces revisions and saves hours. Once projects start, track time and tasks with a simple tool and invoice promptly. Make sure to ask for feedback and optimize your service based on patterns. This turns initial gigs into recurring work and better referrals. You finish strong by standardizing contracts that include scope, payment terms, and revision limits. This protects you and speeds approvals. Once done, create a 30-day follow-up sequence to ask for referrals and offer upsells. If a project derails, pause work immediately, clarify the scope in writing, propose a specific, documented fix with a firm deadline, and obtain written agreement. This prevents scope creep and preserves reputation. Make sure to keep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.